Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class, history class. Today I am going to continue that Unit 6. Unit 6, which lesson? Early revolts against the British rule in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so early itself, that freedom fighters, they were started to revolt against the Britain. Okay, British rule. Okay, so that only we are going to learn under this lesson. Okay, moreover, in the last class, what are the things I taught regarding Pulithevar we learned? Is it regarding Pulithevar as well as Velunaichi? Velu Naichiyar ma'am also we learned. Yes, so today's class, what are the things we are going to discuss in this sense regarding the personalities of Veerapandi Kattapamman. Okay, Veerapandi Kattapamman, Marudu brothers. Yes, Marudu brothers as well as Theeran Chinnamalai. Regarding those personalities only we are going to learn under this lesson. Okay, today. Then, so in your book you can check it, children, page number 66. Page number 66, you can check it. Yes, page number 66, what is given in the sense, a rebellion of Veerapandya Kattapamman is in the year 1792, 1799, 1792, 1799. So this only we are going to learn first today. Okay, so Veerapandya Kattapamman, he became the Palayakaran. He was one of the Palayakaran. Yes, Palayakaran. So Palayakaran in the sense, the last time itself I told, last class itself, Palayam, they ruled the Palayam otherwise called as domain. Yes, a domain, territory, like the dental I said, is it? So this person, Veerapandya Kattapamman, he became the Palayakarar of Panjalam Kurichi. Panjalam Kurichi, where it is located, it is located in Tirunelveli district. Okay, at the age of 30, he became the Palayakarar after the death of his father, Jagaveera Pandya Kattapamman. So Kattapamman's father name what? Jagaveera Pandya Kattapamman. Okay, so those time, the company side. Okay, the company in the sense by English East India Company. Okay, English East India's company's administrators who were in the sense James London. Okay, so name of the personality James London as well as Colin Colin Jackson. So these both companies administrators, how they were considered Kattapamman in the sense he was a peaceful person. Yes, a respected man like that and all. They were believed. Yes, so regarding the Kattapamman, they thought like that. So this person, a peaceful person like that. This person, Veerapandya Kattapamman picture in your book also it is given. It's a black and white photo. It's given, I think so. So you can check it, children. This one. Then next, what is given in the sense, later, what happened? The several conflicts aroused. Okay, later several conflicts aroused. Conflicts in the sense fight. Okay, conflict in the sense, what is the meaning? Fight. Fight in between Veerapandya Kattapamman and the English East India Company. But initial stage, how they were thought Kattapamman? Yes, he was a peaceful maker, peaceful person. Yes, peaceful disposition, like that it is given. Is it? So, in the year, but later, the fight aroused in between Veerapandya Kattapamman as well as the English East India Company. Okay. Yes, the Nawab. Yes, Arcad Nawab under the provisions of the treaty. Yes, so Nawab as well as English East India Company, they were signed the treaty. Okay, so treaty in the year 1781. On the basis of that treaty, yes, on the basis of the treaty, the revenue, yes, had assigned the revenue of Carnatic to the company. Yes, so Carnatic revenue, money, everything they have to hand over to the company. Yes, so likewise, likewise one, arrangement. Okay, so moreover, 1/6 of the, yes, 1/6 of the revenue was to be allowed to meet the expenses of Nawab and his family. So British people, from that they have to give 1/6 of the revenue in the sense of tax money. Yes, they have to allot to the who Nawab and Nawab's family. Okay, so at the same time the company had gained. Okay, 1781 they were signed the treaty with the in between Nawab as well as the English East India Company. On the basis of the treaty, yes, what are the things, what are the provisions are there in the sense the company got the right. Okay, the company got the right to collect the taxes from the Panjalam Kurichi Palayakarar. Okay, so you know very well Panjalam Kurichi Palayakarar, who just before only I told Veerapandya Kattapamman. So the company, in order to collect the taxes, they were appointed some persons. Okay, collectors, appointed some collectors. Okay, to collect the taxes from all the Palayam. So the collectors, what they did in the sense of, they humiliated the Palayakarars. It's vetkapaduthapattanar. Okay, so that is the humiliation meaning. Okay, so humiliated the Palayakaras and followed force to collect the taxes. They followed some force methods to collect the taxes. Okay, this was the bone of contention. Yes, bone of contention. What is the meaning? Yes, bone of contention in the sense, what is the meaning? Kasappunarvu. Yes, edirpu. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, this was the bone of contention between the English as well as the Kattaboman. Okay, so the next what is given in the sense, children? Confrontation with the Jackson. What is meant by confrontation in the sense? Conflict. Confrontation, what is the meaning? Conflict, otherwise fight. Okay, Jackson was the collector. Yes, Jackson was the collector. So this man only was responsible to collect the taxes from the Palayams, especially Panjalam, Kurichi. Okay, so the land revenue arrear. Yes, Kattaboman had the arrear. Okay, so how much he has to pay in the sense? 3,310 pagodas. Pagodas in the sense that is the type of coins. Okay, coins. So 3,310 pagodas he has to pay to the English East India Company. He has the arrear. Okay, who has the arrear? Kattaboman. Yes. So collector Jackson, he was an arrogant person. Arrogant in the sense haughty in the sense தலைக்கனம் பிடித்த. Yes. Yes. He was Jackson was an arrogant English officer. What he thought in the sense, he wanted to send an army to collect the revenue dues. Okay, from Kattaboman he has to collect the taxes. That's what he planned to send an army. But who was opposed in the sense? Madras government. Yes, Madras government. That time he did not give any permission to Jackson. Okay, the collector Jackson. So on 18th August 1798, he ordered. Who ordered? Jackson ordered. Okay, Jackson, the collector, ordered Kattaboman to meet him in Ramanathapuram. Yes, he ordered Kattaboman to meet him in Ramanathapuram. But what happened? But Kattaboman, he was waited there. But there was no meeting happened. Okay, so it proved futile. What is the meaning of futile in the sense? Uselessness. Okay, no useless, no nothing was happened, otherwise useless, like that also we can tell, futile in the sense. Jackson refused to meet him. Okay, finally this person, collector Jackson, he refused to meet him, Kattaboman, both in Kuttalam as well as first he told Kattaboman to meet him in Ramanathapuram, but it was a failure one. Again, he said 2 times, he said Kuttalam you have to come, in Srivillibuthur you have to come, like that and all he said. But this person Kattaboman, he was waited for a long time, but it was a failure. He couldn't meet Jackson. Okay, at last what happened? An interview was granted and Kattaboman met Jackson in Ramanathapuram. Yes, which year in the sense? 1798. September month. Okay, September 19. Okay, so but what happened in the sense? It is said that Kattaboman had to stand for 3 hours. 3 hours, he was waited there. Okay, he was waited there before the haughty collector Jackson. At that time what happened in the sensing danger? Yes, sensing danger in the sense, Kattaboman smelled that danger. Okay, he felt that danger. So, he tried to escape. Yes, he tried to escape along with his minister. It's very, very important, children. Siva Subramanianar. Okay, this is the one word answer. Kattaboman's minister who in the sense? Siva Subramanianar. Okay, one word answer. So, Umaithurai is Kattaboman's brother. Okay, Umaithurai suddenly entered the fort. He suddenly entered the fort with his men in the sense with his army, and helped the escape of Kattaboman. Okay, so at the gate of Ramanathapuram fort, what happened in the sense? There was a fight, clash, like that it is given now. Clash in the sense fight. There was a fight, children, in which some people, including Lieutenant, is one personality, he was killed. Yes, English East India Company's Lieutenant Clark. Yes, Clark, that's the name of the personality. Okay, he was killed. So, Siva Subramanianar was arrested. Yes, Siva Subramanianar was arrested. Taken prisoner in the sense, was arrested. So, that's the meaning. Okay, so next what is given? Nearly 3 hours, he stood in front of, who stood? Kattaboman stood in front of the Jackson. Yes, after that only he sensed that danger. Okay, something is going to be happen, like that. Kattaboman, he tried to escape that time. Whoever helped in the sense, Umaithurai in the sense, his brother, Kattaboman's brother Umaithurai. Moreover, Kattaboman's minister name, what is that? Siva Subramanianar. Okay, Siva Subramanianar. Okay, the next para, appearance before Madras Council. So, what are the things happened? Yes, when he was met, Jackson, what are the things happened? Everything he has to reveal with the, English East India Company. Yes, otherwise, especially Madras Council. Okay, so that's what, he appeared in front of the Madras council. Okay, so who appeared in the sense Kattaboman. Okay, on his return to Panchalam Kurichi, Kattaboman represented to the Madras Council about how he was ill-treated. Yes, how he was ill-treated, how he was humiliated by the collector Jackson. So the council, what they told in the sense, they were asked to Kattaboman to appear before a committee with William Brown. So this committee, in front of this committee, you have to appear like that. They said, okay, Madras Council members. So William Brown, William Oram, as well as John Casa Major. Yes, so these are the members are there. Okay, so in front of them, this person, Kattaboman, he revealed all the things, what are the things happened. Yes, when he met, Collector Jackson. So meanwhile, Governor Edward Clive. Yes, Edward. So that time, who was the governor in the sense? Edward Clive. Edward Clive, what he ordered in the sense, he released the Subramanianar, Siva Subramanianar, he was in the jail, is it? So that time, that governor, Edward Clive, what he said, yes, he released the order, yes, he issued the order to release the Siva Subramanianar, yes, from the jail, and the suspension of the, moreover, who was suspended, Collector Jackson was suspended. Okay, suspension, the meaning, I think so, removed from the post. Okay, so that's a meaning. Okay, then Kattaboman, before appeared before the committee that sat on 15th December 7 September 19. What are the things happened? Everything he was revealed. He revealed with the committee members. Okay, 15th December 1798. Okay, and reported what are the things happened. Transpired. What is the meaning? What are the things happened? Okay, what are the things happened in Ramanathapuram. Okay, so the committee found Kattaboman was not guilty. So the committee, William Oram, is Casa Major, like that, and Allah said no. So those committee, how they were decided in the sense, they were decided. So Kattaboman was he was not found any guilty. Yes, he was not a crime person. Yes, he was a good person, like that they were identified. So Jackson was dismissed from service. First one, suspension, but now dismissed from service, and new collector, yes, S.R. Lusington, appointed in that area. Okay, so on behalf of English East India Company to collect the taxes. Okay, so Lusington appointed. So Kattaboman cleared almost all the revenue. Okay, he he paid the taxes. Okay, a tax areas, leaving only, yes, just before only I said 3,310 pagodas. Yes, that was the arrear of Kattaboman. But now, only how much it is left? How much, 1,080. Yes, 1,080 pagodas only left. Okay. Yes, remaining everything he paid. Okay, the next what is given is Kattaboman and the Confederacy. Confederacy in the sense army. Okay, Kattaboman and the Confederacy of the Palayakaras. Okay, so after that, what happened in the sense, in the meantime, Marudu brothers, Marudu Pandiyar in the sense, Chinna Marudu as well as Periya Marudu of Sivagangai formed those people. Yes, the twin brothers, what they did in the sense, they formed the South Indian Confederacy of Rebels. South Indian Confederacy of Rebels against the British people. Yes, against the British people. So with the neighboring, yes, so who are the other Palayakars joined in the sense, Kobala Nayak. In the last class when I was teaching Velu Naichiyar ma'am, I told Kobala Nayak of Dindigul, like that, is it? So Kobala Nayak of Dindigul, Yadul Nayak of Anamalai, is those personalities, those Palayakars also joined with the Marudu brothers in the South Indian Confederacy of Rebels against British. Okay, yes, the Marudu Pandiyar acted as its leader. Okay, so South Indian Confederacy of Rebels, who was the leaders? Yes, the Marudu brothers only leaders. Then Tiruchirappalli proclamation. Yes, in those time only Tiruchirappalli proclamation has been made. Kattaboman was interested to join with the Marudu brothers. Okay, so but who was rejected in the sense, that collector Lusington, he refused. Okay, he refused the. So it is given clearly here, children. See, it prevented Kattaboman from meeting the Marudu brothers. So who was preventing? Collector Lusington. Okay, Collector Lusington, he was, he prevented Kattaboman from joining meeting, like that it is given. See, meeting in the sense joining with the Marudu brothers. But Marudu brothers and Kattaboman jointly decided on a confrontation. Yes, on a confrontation. Confrontation in the sense, what is the meaning? Army. with the English. So Kattabomman, he tried to influence. So tried to influence, what is the meaning? The sense he tried to get the support from the Sivagiri Palayakarar, but he doesn't know Sivagiri Palayakaras, they were the feudatories. They were the feudatories in the sense they used to pay the taxes to the company. That matter, who don't know? Kattabomman don't. Okay, so that's what, here it is given. See, Sivagiri, Kattabomman tried to influence in the sense, tried to get the support from the Sivagiri Palayakarar, but what happened? That Palayakarar of Sivagiri, he was a tributary. Yes, a tributary in the sense he used to pay the taxes to the company. Okay, so the company, how they were considered in the sense, the expedition in the sense, the waged war. Okay, the waging war, that's a meaning. Okay, expedition of Kattabomman as a challenge to their authority, because Sivagiri Palayakaras, they were the tributaries of British people. Yes, if Kattabomman is very closer, if he is closer with the Sivagiri, Sivagiri people also, and the Palayakarar also, they won't pay the taxes. That's what what they thought British is the company, that Kattabomman as a challenge to their authority, like that they were thought. The company ordered the army to march on to Tirunelveli. Yes, the next what is given in the sense, siege. Siege, what is the meaning, children? Siege in the sense, surrounded. Okay, the English East India Company members, they were surrounded the Panchalamkurchi fort. Okay, sorry. Then here it is given, see, 17 May month, okay, 1799, Lord Wellesley, it's very, very important, children. Lord Wellesley is on behalf of the English East India Company, he issued the orders from Madras. Okay, from Madras he issued the order. Who issued the order that time? Who was the Lord Governor General that time? Yes, 1789, who was the Governor General in the sense, Lord Wellesley. Okay, Lord Wellesley, for the advance of the forces from Trichy. So he sent the orders from Madras for the advance of forces from Trichy, yes, Tanjavur and Madurai to Tirunelveli. Yes, he sent the forces. So Major Bannerman. Okay, so he commanded the troops. Yes, who was the commander? Major Bannerman. Yes, this person only, he was the major commander of the army. Okay, troops in the sense army. The Travancore troops also joined with the British. So this time, what happened is the last time in the, I said, the Travancore people, they were helped. They were helped whom? Pulithevar. Yes, they were joined with Pulithevar. Is against the British. But this time what happened? Travancore troops, joined with the British on September 1st and 1799. An ultimatum, order. Yes, order was served on Kattabomman to surrender. Okay, so they were asking Kattabomman to surrender. But Kattabomman's evasive reply. What does mean by evasive? Yes, evasive in the sense, what is the meaning in the sense, what he said, that, how to tell, is, evasive reply in the sense, அதை வந்து பொருட்படுத்தலை. Okay, so he did not mind even Kattabomman's. So that is the meaning. Okay, prompted, cast. Okay, cast, evasive reply. Kattabomman's evasive reply only was responsible. Okay, was cast Bannerman's attack this Panchalamkurchi fort. So Bannerman moved his entire army to Panchalamkurchi on 5th September 1799. Okay, so they cut off all the communications to the fort. Okay, all the communications they were cut off, as well as Bannerman appointed, deputed, what is the meaning? Appointed Ramalinganar. Okay, so he appointed, Bannerman appointed one person, Ramalinganar, namely Ramalinganar, to convey a message asking Kattabomman to surrender. But Kattabomman, refused. Refused to surrender. So Ramalinganar gathered all the secrets of the Panchalamkurchi fort, and on the basis of the report, Bannerman decided the strategy. Yes, he decided the strategy of the operation. So in a clash in the sense fight. Okay, fight where it was happened in the sense at Kallarpatti. Yes, Kallarpatti. Sivasubramanianar was taken a prisoner. Again, Sivasubramanianar, yes, he was a minister of Kattabomman. He was a minister of Kattabomman. He was arrested. Okay, so those things. Evasive reply in the sense, what is the meaning, is he didn't mind even. Kattabomman, he didn't mind even. So that, cast it cast Bannerman to attack this Panchalamkurchi fort. Okay, so that's the meaning, children. You can check it. Panchalamkurchi fort photo is given here in your book also it's given. You can check it. So this place only, Kattabomman, Kattabomman's place. Okay, Panchalamkurchi fort. Okay. So the next what is given in the sense execution. Execution is murder. Is a murder of Kattabomman. Is execution of Kattabomman. See, Kattabomman escaped to Pudukottai. So in the meantime, Kattabomman escaped to Pudukottai. Moreover, that time, the British people, they were announced a prize. Okay, they were announced a price on his head. On his head in the sense, whose head? Kattabomman's head. So that's the thing. Then betrayed. Who betrayed? Betrayed in the sense, what is the meaning? Betrayal of trust. Nambikai Drogam. Okay, who did that word in the sense? Raja of Ettayapuram as well as Raja of Pudukottai. Yes, those people, they were cheated Kattabomman and finally they were captured Kattabomman. Okay, Siva Subramanianar was executed. Executed in the sense murdered. Kolai seyyapattar. That's the meaning at Nagalapuram. One word answer at Nagalapuram on 13th September. 13th September. So Bannerman made a mockery. Mockery in the sense, what is the meaning? Teasing. Yes, he teased Kattabomman. Yes, in the trial in front of the Palayakaras on 16th October. Yes, during the trial, Kattabomman bravely admitted all the charges. Okay, what are the things they were told? Everything he was accepted against, against him. Okay, so then Kattabomman, yes, Kattabomman was hanged. Yes, Kattabomman was hanged. This is the one word answer, children, from a tamarind tree. Okay, in the old fort of Kayattar, close to, it's very closer to the, which district? Tirunelveli district. Okay, Kayattar, that's the name of the place. Okay, children, yes, the name of the place, which one? Kayattar. Okay, so he was hanged, Kattabomman was hanged from a tamarind tree in the old fort of Kayattar. It's very closer to Tirunelveli district. Okay, so then in front of the Palayakaran, so these are the in front of the fellow Palayakaran, like that it is given, co-Palayakaran, that is the meaning. Yes, co-Palayakaran. So thus ended the life of celebrated Palayakarans of Panchalam Kurichi. So many folk ballads, yes, folk ballads in the sense Nattupura Padalgal, yes, the many folk ballads on Kattabomman helped to keep his memory alive among the people. Yes, so this much only it is given in your book, children, under the Veerapandiya Kattabomman para. So the next, what is that in the sense, page number 67 is page number 67, 66 over, 67 now is Marudu brothers. Yes, Marudu brothers in the sense the last class itself I told you is Chinna Marudu and Periya Marudu. Yes, Chinna Marudu and Periya Marudu. Yes, Periya Marudu otherwise called as Vella Marudu. Periya Marudu otherwise called as Vella Marudu. It is given in your book, children. Periya Marudu otherwise called as Vella Marudu and his younger brother, Chinna Marudu. So who was the, elder? Yes, who was elder? Vella Marudu. Otherwise, Periya Marudu only, elder brother. Younger brother who? Chinna Marudu. Yes, both of them, they were the able generals of Muthu Vadugar. Muthu Vadugar who? Yes, in the last class I told, Velu Nachiya's husband only, Muthu Vadugar. Yes, Muthu Vadugar of Sivagangai. Okay, after Muthu Vadugar's death, yes, how did he died? In the sense, in the battle, Kalayar Koil battle only, English East India Company, they were killed that Muthu Vadugar. After that, the ma'am also escaped from that area. Then he joined with whom? Kobala Nayak, yes, of Dindikkal, like that, and I said last class. After Muthu Vadugar's death in the Kalayar Koil battle, Marudu brothers, they were helped to restore, to regain the throne to Velu Naichiyar. Okay, so in the last years, this picture only, Marudu brothers picture, you can check it, children. Okay, in your book, it is given, some pictures are given, you can check it, that pictures also. Okay, so what happened in the sense, in the last years of the 18th century, the Marudu brothers, they were formed a resistance. Okay, organized, like that it is given, organized in the sense formed. Okay, formed a resistance against the British. So after the death of Kattabomman, what happened? Yes, they worked along with his brother. Okay, they, like that it is given, they in the sense Marudu brothers. Marudu brothers, Chinna Marudu as well as Periya Marudu, they were worked along with Umaithurai. Yes, Umaithurai who? He was the brother of Kattabomman. Okay, they blundered, the Marudu brothers blundered in the sense looted. Okay, looted, L-O-O-T-E-D. Yes, blundered the granaries of Nawab and caused damage and destruction to company's troops. Okay, troops in the sense army. Okay, so these people, they were looted the granaries of the Nawab as well as they caused much danger as well as the destruction to the company's troops, like that it is given, children. It's very, very interesting. Then moreover that next what is given in the sense, page number 68, I think so, rebellion of Marudu brothers. Okay, rebellion of Marudu brothers, in the sense, 1799, who was murdered. Yes, who was murdered? Kattaboman was murdered. Yes, from a tamarind tree, like that I said, isn't it? Is it? So here, rebellion of Marudu brothers, which year to which year, in the sense 1800 to 1801. Yes, despite the English East India Company people, they were suppressed the Kattaboman's revolt. Yes, Kattaboman's revolt in the year 1799. The rebellion broke out again. The rebellion again it broke out in the year 1800. Okay, so the British records, and the British people, how they were called this revolt, in the sense second Palayakarar war. Yes, in the first Palayakarar war, they were suppressed whom? They were killed Kattaboman. So second Palayakarar war, or like that, the British people, they have the record, how they were referred, like that. They referred in the sense called. Okay, called. Sorry. It was directed by a confederacy. So whomever, yes, whomever participated in this, in the sense, that Marudu Pandian of Sivagangai. Yes, Marudu Pandian of Sivagangai. Then that is Chinna Marudu as well as Periya Marudu. Okay, Gopala Nayak of Dindikal, Kerala Varma of Malabar, Krishnappa Nayak and Dundaji of Mysore. So these five personalities, they were joined against the British. So in April month, 1800, yes, they met at Virupachi. Okay, they met at Virupachi and decided to organize an uprising in the sense revolt against the company. So the revolt, which broke out in Coimbatore in that month, June 1800, soon it spreaded to Ramanathapuram as well as Madurai. Yes, the one, the company, moreover, they were declared war on. Yes, they got wind, like that, and it is given now. Yes, what is the meaning, in the sense, the company understood the situation. Okay, company understood the situation. So that is the meaning of got wind of it. Okay, they understood the situation and declared. So they were declared war on Krishnappa Nayak of Mysore as well as Kerala Varma of Malabar and others. So the Palayakaras of Coimbatore, Satyamangalam and Tarapuram, they were caught. Catch past tense only, caught. Okay, they were caught and hanged. Yes. So this much only. The next what is given is next para in the page number 68. In February month, okay, in 1800 it started. Is Marudu brothers rebellion against whom? British. In the year 1801 February month, then two brothers of Kattaboman. Yes, two brothers who were in the sense Umaithurai as well as Sevathaiya. Yes, so these both personalities, they were the brothers of Kattaboman. Okay, they were escaped from Panchalamkuruchi prison as well as, where they went in the sense to Kamudi. It's the name of the place. Okay, Kamudi, it's the name of the place, children. They went there. From there, who helped them? Chinna Marudu. Yes, Chinna Marudu, helped them to escape them to Siruvayal. Siruvayal, who is capital in the sense? Chinna Marudu's capital. Okay, Siruvayal, whose capital? Chinna Marudu's capital. Okay, so the fort at Panchalamkuruchi was reconstructed in those times. Okay, but what happened? The reconstructed in the sense they were constructed again. That's the meaning. Then British troops, under Colin Macaulay. Yes, Colin Macaulay, British troops, they retook the fort. Again, they were captured. That is the retook. They were recaptured the fort in April month, and the Marudu brothers sought shelter, sought in the sense asked. Okay, shelter in the sense, what is the meaning? Pugalidam, Adaikalam, that's the meaning. Okay, shelter in Sivagangai. Yes, the English people demanded that Marudu Pandiyas hand over the fugitive. What is mean by fugitive, children? Yes, what is mean by fugitive? Yes, what is given in your book, you can check it first, children. Yes, fugitive, where it is. Yes, under that, yeah. Fugitive in the sense a person who has escaped from hiding. Whoever escaped, Sevathaiya as well as Umaithurai, they were the brothers of Kattaboman now. They were escaped from jail. Who was helped in the sense? Chinna Marudu was helped, is it? So that time, but they were, that time what happened in the sense, Marudu Pandeyas, British people, they were telling, yes, you have to hand over both people. But Chinna Marudu, that Marudu brothers, they were refused. Yes, they were refused to surrender Umaithurai as well as Sevathaiya. So Colonel Agnew and Colonel Innes, okay, Colonel Agnew and Colonel Innes, they were marched on Sivagangai. Okay, Sivagangai, that's a place of Marudu brothers. Okay, so in the year 1801, Marudhu Pandiyas issued a proclamation of independence which was called a Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. Okay, here what happened in June month, 1801. Yes, the Marudhu brothers, Marudhu Pandiyas, issued a proclamation. Yes, that famous proclamation was called as Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. So that's the meaning, children. Once again, I am telling fugitive. What is the meaning? A person who was a person who has escaped from hiding. Yes, two personalities, they were escaped from the jail. Who helped them in the sense? Chinnamaradu helped. The British people, they are telling them to hand over. Okay, them to hand over. But these people, Marudhu brothers, they were refused. So that was the reason for the, that second Palayakarar war. Okay, then proclamation, in the proclamation, what are the things are given in the sense? The proclamation under that, was an early call to the Indians. Okay, so they were called the Indians to unite against the British. So this was the first point of proclamation, Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. Moreover, cutting across the region. Okay, so we have to unite against the British. We need not to check that religion, caste, creed, and religion like that. We were telling. The proclamation, second one, it was pasted on the walls of Nawab's palace in Tiruchirappalli Port, as well as on the walls of Srirangam temple. Okay, so many Palayakaras of the Tamil country rallied in the sense they were marched towards the to fight. Okay, march to fight against the English people. Then Chinnamarudhu collected nearly 20,000 men. Yes, it was the challenge of the English army. So British, British people, British reinforcement. Yes, British people, reinforcement. What a reinforcement in the sense? Strengthened. Okay, these people, that Marudhu brothers, they have 20,000 men. Yes, 20,000 men that army have. But at the same time, the British people strengthened and they were rushed from Bengal. Yes, these people also, they were got a army from Bengal. Who? The British East India Company. They were got a army from Bengal, Ceylon, Malaya. Yes, though from those areas, they got a support. Then moreover, Rajas of Pudukkottai as well as Ettayapuram, Tanjavur people also, they were helped British. Okay, so divide and rule policy followed by the, so the British people, what policy they were followed in the sense divide and rule policy. Okay, so divide and rule policy, such a way the Palayakaras, English people, split in the sense, what is the meaning? Divide the forces of the Palayakaras soon. Okay, by following which policy? Divide and rule policy. Okay, the next what is given in the sense, fall of Sivagangai. So in May month 1801, the English people attacked. Okay, the English people attacked the rebels in Tanjore, otherwise Tanjavur and Trichy. Okay, the rebels, where did they go? Yes, they went to Piranmalai and Kalayar Koil. So from there, again they were defeated by the forces of English people. English in the sense, English East India Company. In the end, the superior military strength and the able commanders of the English army prevailed. Yes, here what is given? They got a success. Okay, who got a success? The English people got a success. So that's the thing. The rebellion failed. Okay, the rebellion failed and Sivagangai was annexed. So Marudhu brothers' place, Sivagangai was annexed in the year 1801. Yes, the Marudhu brothers, okay, the Marudhu brothers, were executed. Both of them, they were executed in the fort of Tirupattur near Ramanathapuram on October 24, 1801. So Kattaboman's brother, Umaithurai as well as Sivathaiah also were captured and beheaded. Beheaded in the sense what they were cut their head. Yes, so that's a beheaded at Panchalamkuruchi on 16th November 1801. So 73 rebels were exiled. Yes, exiled in the sense they were sent to other country. Naadu Kadathapatanar, that's the mean. 73 rebels were exiled to Penang. Yes, Penang in Malaya. Okay, so the Palayakarans fell into the English, their exploits and sacrifices. They fell into the hands of the Palayakarans, fell in the hands of the English East India Company, even though their memories, their sacrifices inspired the later generations. So thus the rebellion of Marudhu brothers, which is called as the South Indian Rebellion, is South Indian Rebellion. It's very, very important, children. See that sacrifices, the Marudhu brothers, the Palayakaras, Kattabomman, Velu Nachiyar, their sacrifices inspired the later generations. So thus the rebellion of Marudu brothers is which was called as the South Indian Rebellion is a landmark even in the history of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so the next what is given in the sense Carnatic Treaty. Yes, which treaty? Carnatic Treaty in the year 1801 they were signed. Okay, the suppression totally adakudal. Okay, so suppression in the sense adakudal, suppression of the Palekara rebellion in the year 1799 and 1800 to 1801. Why they are given 1799? They were murdered Kattapamman. Yes, 1800 to 1801. Yes, Sivathaya, and then Umaithurai, then Marudu brothers, twin brothers also, they were murdered, British people. Okay, so resulted in the liquidation of all local chieftains of Tamil Nadu. So local chieftains, everyone, they were surrendered. They were surrendered in front of the British. They were accepted all the terms. So under that terms, the Carnatic Treaty of 31st July 1801, the British government assumed direct control. Say they assumed in the sense they took a direct control over Tamilagam, and the Palekar system came to an end. Okay, totally they were distracted the system. Totally they were abolished the Palekar system from Tamil Nadu. Okay, with the demolition of all forts. All the forts they were distracted, totally distracted and disabandoned. Disabandonment, what is the meaning? The sense of breaking of their army. Palekars should not have any army. Palekar system totally it was eradicated, otherwise it was abolished from Tamil Nadu. At last, what is given in the sense, E part, what is given, Theeran Chinnamalai. Yes, Theeran Chinnamalai history also in the last class we learned, children. Okay, what other things are given in the sense, he was born as, the Theeran Chinnamalai in the year 1756 to 1805. Born as Tirthagiri. So initial stage, early time, his name was Tirthagiri in the year 1756. Theeran, yes, Theeran in the sense he was a well-trained person. Okay, in what are the things he knows? Martial arts, Silambu, he knows very well, archery, horse riding, as well as modern warfare. Yes, these are the things that Theeran Chinnamalai knows very well, as well as he was involved in resolving family. Yes, what duty he did in the sense he used to resolve family matters as well as land disputes. Land disputes in the Kongu region. Kongu in the sense which region? Coimbatore region. So this personality only, children, is Theeran Chinnamalai. Yes, Theeran Chinnamalai. You can check it, this picture. Yes, in your book also pictures are given. You can check it. Okay, the next one, as this region, Kongu region in the sense Coimbatore region, which was under the control of Mysore Sultan. Okay, so Mysore Sultan, Tipu Sultan. Okay, so he was collected by Tipu's Diwan. Yes, so who had a power to collect the taxes from Kongu region in the sense, Diwan Muhammad Ali. Okay, Tipu Sultan only has the right to collect the taxes from the Kongu region. He used to send Muhammad Ali, his Diwan. Okay, once when the Diwan, he was returning to Mysore with the tax money. Okay, so he collected the Muhammad Ali, he was the Diwan of Tipu Sultan. He collected the tax from the Kongu region and he went back. So that time, the Tirthagiri, Tirthagiri in the sense our Theeran Chinnamalai. Okay, Banas, Tirthagiri, like that I said just before. So the Tirthagiri, what he did in the sense, he blocked in the sense he stopped his way and confiscated in the sense, what is the meaning? He captured all the tax money, yes, from Muhammad Ali's hand. Okay, so he let Muhammad Ali to go by instructing him in the sense, go and tell to your Sultan, Tipu Sultan. Okay, so that Chinnamalai, who is between Sivamalai and Chennimalai, in between Sivamalai as well as Chennimalai, one person is there, Chinnamalai, like that you have to tell like that, he said. Okay, so thus he gained the name Theeran Chinnamalai. From there onwards, from that time onwards, he got a title Theeran Chinnamalai because he blocked that person. He blocked Muhammad Ali. He was the Diwan of Tipu Sultan. That's what he got a title Theeran Chinnamalai. So the offended Diwan, see it's given, the offended Diwan sent a contingent in the sense army, contingent in the sense army to attack Chinnamalai, and both forces and fought at the Noyal river bed. But who got a victory in the sense? Chinnamalai. Yes, Chinnamalai got victory. Chinnamalai in the sense that Tirthagiri only, Chinnamalai like that it is given. Okay, so the after Tipu's death, okay, after Tipu Sultan's death, Theeran Chinnamalai built a fort. Okay, he built a fort and fought with the British without leaving the place. So without changing the place, he fought against the British. That's what, that place is called as Oda Nilai. Oda Nilai. Because when he was fighting with the British, when he was fighting against the British, he did not move to anywhere. Yes, moreover, he followed, adapted, otherwise he followed the guerrilla attack and evaded to capture. Finally, the English people captured him and his brothers and kept them in prison in Sangagiri. Okay, in that Sangagiri place only they were kept. Whomever, Thiran Chinnamale as well as his brother, yes, were kept by the British people. When they were asked to accept the rule of the British, they were refused. Okay, so the British people, they were asked them to accept their rule, but these people, they were refused, so they were hanged at the top of the Sangagiri fort on 31st July 1805. So these are the things are given, children. The next class, I will teach Vellore revolt in the year 1806. Okay, so that fully I will teach. The next lesson we will teach, children. Okay, history part only 7th as well as 8th lesson I will complete. After that only I will skip to civics part. Students, we have the plan to conduct the 1 mark test answers. 1 mark test, nearly each subject, we are going to conduct that 150 mark test. Okay, so please be ready in the history part. Okay, what are the lessons I had completed already? Okay, so which mean history part, first 3 lessons. Okay, first 3 lessons. Okay, yes, civics part, first lesson, third lesson and fourth lesson. This is the portion for the 1 mark test. Okay, nearly 150 questions will be there. 75 mark from the history and civics part. Geography and economics 75 mark. Totally 150 questions. Okay, children. Yes, today we need not mark anything. The next class I will make you to mark. Yes, so homework you can note down. Yes, what is the homework in the sense, the last lesson. Okay, the last lesson in the sense, third lesson I think so. Yes, third lesson fully you have to learn. Yes, many days over. So third lesson fully you have to learn and then write it in one note. Yes, what are the things you have to write? 2 marks as well as the essays alone. 2 marks as well as essays alone. It is given in the page number 38. Okay, you can check it, learn and write it, because when we are conducting the test, these are the portions will be there. Okay, yes, one of prepare for the 1 mark test. Okay, each and every lines you have to read. Okay, book inside questions as well as book back questions. Majority 75% book inside questions only we took. Clear? Learn. Okay, thank you, children.